today we had a construction abandoned place. I was there year before, so please watch that video and like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to push the notification bell. And thank you for watching. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So let's go with the video. Jy kom wys nou nie.
Ek kan my spoor, ek kan net uitedit.
Good day, peeps. We're back in an abandoned construction site. See, they took all the stuff that was here off. So I wonder what's going on here. Maybe they started working here again. But let us see what's going on here. If there's any spirits, please talk in my camera. I will hear when I play back. Sorry for the cars driving past us. Here's a road here, so you can see there's a road there. Let's go up here and see what's here. Very spooky, yeah? Let's go on the railway. Is there any spirits who want to talk and talk in my camera? I will hear you when I play it back. Please, peeps, subscribe, like this video, watch it through. If you hear something, please let me know by commenting the timestamp and everything. Please don't forget to push the notification bell, otherwise you won't get any content from my channel when I upload any videos. There's people fishing down by the sea. Last time I was here, there was no bridge here. So, obviously they did go on with the construction. The time I was here, it was abandoned. Can't see anything. It's nice tonight. No wind. Nothing. And the sky is like pinkish. Not, but if I look at the sky, it's blue. It's starting to get dark now. So that's interesting, don't you think? Let's see what's on the other side of the bridge. So there's a road, something. Looks like a road. Over the water? Yeah, it is. Doesn't look bad. Last time there was nothing here. Nothing. Right. There's stairways to go down to the beach. Sorry for this. Just trying to get the fits right. There you go. Much better. Now you can see what I'm doing. Okay, it's a little bit quiet here, so we're going to try a spirit box. You can hear any spirits talking to us. If there's any spirits, they can talk in this device. The words will come out. Because we want to tell your story. You don't have to be afraid of this device. It won't harm you at all. Put the light on. I say. Okay, any spirits want to talk? They can talk in this device. Don't have to be scared. They won't harm you at all. Any spirits want to talk? Come on.
Chains.
Chains.
Mary.
Were Mary chained? What are you trying to tell me? Must I move somewhere else? Come on, you can talk. I'm listening. Don't be scared. Come on. Any spirits near me want to talk? I'm here to listen. You don't have to be scared of anything. This device won't harm you at all. Let me sit a little bit. See if I can get anybody to talk to me. Come on, I'm listening. No spirits want to talk today. Don't be scared. The device won't harm you. If there's any spirit.
How?
Still no. How? How what? How can I talk to you through this device? Special app that I downloaded to talk to you spirits. I love to know your story. So you can talk, I will listen. Come on, focus. Focus.
Chains.
Chains. You did say change, huh? Where's this chains? Mary? Am I talking to Mary? You can talk to me. Don't be scared. Really, you can. Focus. This device don't want to focus. Why not? There's something here.
Chains. Chains.
Where's this? Where were you chained? Chained.
Lewis.
Lewis. But aren't I talking to Mary? That Lewis chained Mary. But how is that possible? Am I talking to two spirits? Or one? Sorry people, this light is not nice. I must buy me a new one. Doesn't show a lot. Come on, talk to me, please. Lewis, is it your niece, Mary, you're talking about?
Institution. Institution.
Institution? Which one? Tell me, please. Which one? That's very weird. It's an institution. We were at the convent just now. Are you talking about St. Elmo's? Please tell me, which one? That they chain you in the... Am I still talking to Mary or Lewis? To whom I'm speaking to?
Here.
Yeah, where? Are you here? The institution here. But so far I know is there none here.
You think we should try the SRS by the rocks to see if there's any apparitions that might show up?
I think we can try that. Okay, spirits, I'm gonna put off that advice so you can't talk, but you can show yourself to me.
Here. Here.
Okay, if you are here and I'm gonna use the SLS, then you can show yourself to me. Okay? But okay, Mary, where are you? You said yeah. car. Of that.
Are you by the rocks? We come in peace.
I just want to see you.
We do not mean you any harm.
Come on, where are you? Mary?
It seems to me that Mary does not want to show herself.
Let me turn around because she says she's here. What's that? The hell? Come, Mary, show yourself. Please. Don't be shy. The device won't bite you. It won't harm you. It's just to show the world there is spirits that roam this earth. If it doesn't look like she wants to show herself.
No, she doesn't want to appear on the SLS.
No. But that's fine.
But it's fine, we respect it.
That's fine. If she don't want to show herself, that's fine.
We respect your decision.
Yeah. Yeah. Looks like a face, that rock. Am I stupid or does it look like a face?
No, you're not stupid. That lock does look like a face.
Okay. Okay.
I just heard it picked up something very quickly.
Oh, it doesn't show. I didn't see anything.
Or was it just my imagination?
I think it's maybe imagination. Focus. Focus.
No, there's nothing coming up on the SLS.
No, so yeah, we're gonna stop it. Thank you for watching, peeps. Go and check my playlist. There's the other abandoned construction shots is on there. The one I made before this one. Go check the difference and watch the videos and tell me what you think about the videos so I can approve getting better. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and don't forget to push that notification bell and like my videos, please. Good night. See you again when I do the next video. Bye bye.